Hi, this is Karina, and I'm going to be explaining this haircut done by my friend Nicholas, who is an amazing hairdresser and educator and has been teaching for over 20 years. You have to check out his salon in San Diego called Sweet Jane Salon. He is going to be demonstrating a short, square, masculine shape on Mac. Mac brought in a photo of George Harrison, and we love a good reference. And how perfect will this change be? First, Nick will be studying Mac's hairline, hair, growth patterns, and head shape to create a plan. Nick has decided to section away the top and begin his first section at the side on the top of the ear. The tool of choice is the straight razor. This helps make it feel less perfect and have a good grown-in effect. As Nicholas is wetting the hair with water and combing through, he's thinking about his desired square shape. If he places combs on the head shape, he can see where he will create his corners and where he needs to leave some weight. The first half-inch section over the ear will be combed straight out from the head shape. Watch how Nicholas holds his fingers as he holds them out square, mimicking the shape he is cutting. Before you make your first cut, it's a good idea to measure your length one more time to be sure. Comb the hair with even tension that is controlled and taut. Take your time to get through your section, staying consistent with a medium stroke for a loose effect. Comb the next section in front of the ear and use your guide from your previous section. Hold the hair straight out and remember not to over-direct. Moving on to the section behind the ear, and now you'll repeat, remembering not to over-direct. Work to where the head starts to round and then move to the other side and repeat. Looks great! Now you'll go to the back and start in the center with a half-inch section. You'll use the sides at the top to visually get a beginning guide for this section. And again, watch how Nicholas keeps his fingers square and Mac's head at a natural position. Be sure to only cut sections you can control. You don't want to over-direct hair down or up, but just straight out. Cut just past your previous guide when razor cutting, so you don't recut your previous section. Watch how Mac's waves react to this new cut. It's looking so good. Nicholas is pretty much done with the sides and back and wants to add a moisturizing product to add a bit of satin shine and definition. As these sections dry, they'll start to look better and better. Now for the top. The first section will be in the center that goes from the crown to the front hairline. The guide will be the center back at the top. You have different choices here. Do you want to keep it square, or do you want it to get longer towards the bangs? Here's where you can change your angle to get different results. Nicholas decides on square because measuring this gives him the fringe length that he really likes for Mac. More of a 70s vintage vibe, like George's. Still using subsections so he can keep control, he'll cut his square shape using the upward stroke. Make sure not to overdirect too much to center here. Keep everything square. Now you can section horizontally to check your shape and adjust and connect anything you may have missed. You can put away your comb for this part and just use your fingers to find anything that needs more. This will be up to you. Watch the choices that Nicholas makes. After the basic shape is in there, you're just going through it and you're using your eye and taking away the bits that you don't like. You're just refining it at this point and not changing too much. And this is it. It's so great, so 70s and fits Mac perfectly. For more information, please visit ponyeducation.com.